Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you about something super bullish that nobody's talking about. I want to bring it back to your radar because it's something that in the last bull market it was all the rage. It was the thing that was supposed to push Bitcoin past the $20,000 level, and then the Bitcoin bubble popped, and then it got denied, and then people stopped thinking about it. But I want to talk to you about how that big thing that was supposed to push Bitcoin up to crazy astronomical levels is now happening to Ethereum with the Ethereum ETF. So we're going to take a look at that. Also, I want to talk to you guys about the OMI chart and to try to see if we're finally having a recovery, but also a thought to think about when it comes to OMI in general. So if you're excited about that, like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and let's just get right into it. So first things first, my last video I talked about Doge. I said Doge should probably get to $1. You know, I think in the long run, if this bull market goes crazy, Doge can get to $1. But the Doge bubble, you know, it could pop. I don't know. But I feel like the whole cryptocurrency market is starting to enter into bubble stages. When I come to coin market cap, I could see that the top 100 numbers are getting pretty astronomical. So I'm like, okay, we're getting into a phase of overvaluation. I heard a couple other YouTubers, couple other analysis people talking about it as well, bringing that to my attention. So, and I also kind of agree with that. I was kind of feeling that. So going into this next stage, can Doge hit $1? Probably. I think people want to see it at $1. They're going to keep the hype going. They're going to keep the news going, unless, you know, Papa Elon comes out and says sell or something like that. So for me, I'm not touching it. That's just too risky for me. But I did take a chance on SafeMoon. Right now it's down 8%. I closed the trade yesterday though, up actually. So I bought around, let me see, around here, around 700 whatever, and then it went up to around 900. So then I sold right there. Quick little gain, but that's what you call a quick flip. That one played out okay, but I also did one on SHIB that I didn't talk to you guys about on the video, and it was also another coin that was really trending, and I saw that the chart might have had a breakout, and this thing actually did a 5x. So I did a quick flip on those. Not invested in those, don't believe in those, don't really care what they're doing in the long run. If they start doing things that put it on my radar, then I'll take a second look at it. But as of right now, it was just a quick flip. And what did I do? I put those gains into Atom and into Luxo. So looking at the chart of OMI real quick before we get into this Bitcoin ETF news. So looking at OMI real quick, I think this is dope right here. The Ghostbusters cars are coming out, a lot better quality than the DeLorean, I'll tell you that right now. So we'll see how these things are looking right here. But going to this OMI chart, this is the OMI chart on Bitforex. You can see the price was down here at around where I got it at 0.000004, and then it came up, and now it's starting to come back down and bottom out. Now I'm hoping that this could reverse. I'm praying that this could reverse. So I'm hoping that there's some type of double bottom going on right here on the 4-hour chart. Hopefully it just goes like this and comes up. But with this little line that I have in here that's been this resistance line keeping us down, it's coming to an end pretty soon. So I'm hoping that it could break out of this. If it doesn't, ooh, it's gonna look ugly. Now chances are it could do that, not because it's not a good coin and not because I don't believe it, but because NFT dominance in the entire market is going down. NFT dominance was super high, and now it is, you know, going down, and NFT dominance is going down. So that's something to think about if you're looking at OMI. But these type of patterns like this usually are bullish patterns that break out to the upside. So we'll see how that goes. It could be this pattern right here, or it could also be something like this, you know, for OMI. But right now, I'm not really excited about it. But in a couple days, we'll see what happens. If it breaks down, it's looking pretty bad. But if it goes up, then I'm expecting, hey, maybe we can hit this level right here at, you know, 0.009 again for OMI. So hopefully that could happen. In the long run, you know, the OMI tokenomics are cool. They actually burn tokens every time somebody buys an NFT on the platform, or every time somebody sells an NFT in the marketplace. So I'm still going to hold on to at least 1 million OMI tokens in case it does something crazy like go to $1, which I'm not saying it could. I'm just saying in the long run, we don't ever know. Real quick, EarnFi. If you haven't checked out EarnFi right here, shout out to Crypto and Culture for this. Go ahead and follow my dude over there at Crypto and Culture on YouTube. Tell him Everything Currency sent you, because he told me about this website right here where it actually scans your wallet and lets you know if you have any unclaimed airdrops. You have to pay for the service, but I think I'm gonna pay for it because the service is like what, $60, and there's already about $2,000 worth of airdrops that I can claim right here on this website. And you know, airdrops expire, so it's good to know this. I don't even know what these coins are. There was one on here that I was actually already able to claim, so I had about 4 airdrops. One was the Force token airdrop. So yeah, check out this website EarnFi, you know, and follow Crypto and Culture for letting the Everything community know about that one. So the big thing that I keep on alluding to is this right here. Approval of the US Bitcoin ETF could ignite the global BTC buying spree. Okay, it could ignite a global buying spree. Now, the ETF was all the hype. It was all the hype in the last bull run, like I was saying. Like, as the total market cap of all cryptocurrency was reaching $1 trillion, everybody was talking about how this ETF was just going to push it even further. Now, it is looking like sometime in the future, the US is going to go ahead and let the ETF happen. Now, the last time they had a bunch of issues like custody and price feeds and stuff like that. So now some of those problems are solved in the cryptocurrency space. It's a lot more mature. I mean, Bitcoin is a lot more mature. I wouldn't say that about the whole cryptocurrency space, but Bitcoin and the tech around Bitcoin is a lot more mature. So looking at my Bitcoin chart right here, you can see that I had this blue line up as my little Bitcoin prediction right here. A bunch of these lines right here are some resistance lines. I'm going to leave them in there for when we start coming back down and see if we hit any of those lines. But this is the prediction. Now over here, it strayed away from this prediction quite a bit, and then it came up and rode it under until it hit right here and started matching it officially for a couple months. So I can see maybe it might start doing the same thing, take a little bit longer, because remember, this prediction is just a fractal from the last bull market. Could take a little bit longer to play out. So I'm thinking maybe it'll just come here like this, and then Bitcoin can hit, you know, its big 278,000 payday on July instead of over here in June. Now so it could either do that, or you know, even further out into August and September, which is something that, hey, maybe that will coincide with, you know, this approval of the Bitcoin ETF igniting some type of global buying spree. Now, I mentioned ETH. Van Eck fires starting gun in race for first US Ether ETF. Now, Van Eck is awaiting approval from the US Bitcoin ETF, so who knows if they're going to get this Ether one. But this comes after, you know, there's some ETFs on ETH in some other countries, so they look to add it to the CBOE, which, man, this would be extremely good for Ethereum and all of cryptocurrency all together. I think this would be a major type of moonshot news right here, just to get the overall, you know, cryptocurrency space and the overall financial space saying, hey, you know what, it's official. These things are really, really official. We've been seeing the gains, but hey, now we got the ETF. We don't have to download a wallet and do all this extra stuff that they don't know how to do. So this is just something that is going to add a ton of value to Ethereum overall in the long run. So I couldn't be more bullish at this point in time. I'm also still erring on the side of caution and saying never invest more than you can afford to lose, reminding myself in the mirror to take profit, and reminding myself, most importantly, to do not FOMO. Also, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Tell your mama happy Mother's Day. And hey, if you got somebody who's cooking you food and making sure you're fed, they deserve random gifts. Like and subscribe, turn on post notifications. Till next time, peace.